You want to work out today? My video today is all about helping you find creative, fun ways to work out at home. A lot of us are still at home, the gyms are closed, so let's do this. I have a 3-circuit workout. I'm gonna do each exercise for 1 minute, and then I'm gonna rotate. This is about a 9-minute workout. I'm gonna rotate 3 times. My choices are jump rope, ab roller, thank you Shayy Butter. I'll put her link in my video. She's amazingly funny and awesome. And my other one is a slam ball. So those are my 3. But what do you have at your house? Do you have weights? Do you have a step? Whatever you have, that's what you use. And you can do circuit training. You guys, stairs work really well too. Stairs are even better than running. So anyway, I'm just saying be creative in how you decide to work out. Be smart about it, make it count, and 10 minutes really will make a difference in your fitness level and in your life. So let's go ahead and get started. I haven't jumped rope in a while, but I'm like, I've got them hanging in my gym. I gotta start doing that again. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna start with jump roping. Timer. You guys ready? Let's go. Jump with my slam ball. Use my core. Big exhale through my core. Full body work. Legs, core, shoulders. Great way to get rid of frustration. No breaks. Round 2. How you guys doing? Keep it going. Whoop. Lost an earring. Woo. Come on. you guys. Oh yeah, core. Woo! Slam ball. Third circuit. Man, this is a lot of work. Feels good. Last one. Round 3. My earring. Here we go. Woo. Keep it going. Woo.
I don't wanna feel this good just 'cause you called last night. I'm not that girl.
Woo. Keep messing up.
I don't wanna dress up for you and be a
Don't give up.
I'm not that girl. No, I'm not that girl. You got me just as long as I'm hard.
Don't give up. Keep going. Last round, round 3. I'm feeling it, I'm not gonna lie. Come on, keep going. Woo! Couple more. One more. We're at 9 minutes. I'm gonna put 1 more minute in. on the abs roller to make it a 10-minute workout. Choose your favorite workout to do again.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, 'cause I knew from the start this might be overrated.
Feeling the 4th minute of these, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna do one more. Wow. Listen, look, I lost my earring. If you've got 10 minutes, you have to make it count. Work, no breaks, because it's worth it, you guys. You're worth it. Be creative, find what you have at home. 1 minute each. Have a fantastic, empowered day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, you guys.